What's up, YouTubers? I'm here with an Audi A6. So long story short, to give you some guidance in case you're stuck in a similar fashion. So in this case, the rear is raised, the front is slammed, compressor was changed. Also, the necessary components that were leaking were changed on this Audi all-road A6. And it is still sagging. So the next thing you need to do, obviously scan the codes, clear the codes as I showed you earlier, just to see if there's hard faults. After I cycled the ignition, I got a code for J403, which is the relay associated with the air suspension pump. So what you want to do after that is come over, because nobody's really showing you where this relay compressor is. You're gonna have to remove this dash panel. I'm not gonna show you the whole procedure of that, unfortunately. I'm so sorry. It's gonna kind of narrow it down for you, and you can play your own tech here. So long story short, this is the panel you're gonna remove right here, and it's got a few screws underneath. Down there you can look underneath from the bottom, probably about 4 or 5 screws. You remove those. And the hardest part for most people, that there's a cover right over here. That cover you're gonna simply lift up, and then the last 2 remaining screws will be right here, one over here where I'm pointing with my lamp, and one over here on this side where I'm pointing with my lamp. And those will be the 2 screws you'll remove. Then you're gonna come over to the very bottom here, underneath in the footwell panel.
You guys find your relay to look like this, where it's all burnt out from the compressor overworking itself for the J403 relay. You also want to make sure after you change that relay, which now that I have the whole dash off, the bottom part, which I'll leave up to you to disassemble. There's a few screws, like I said, the key ones is popping this cover off here, screw on this side, screw on that side right over here. Then once you come down, just a quick review of the relays. The one that the J403 is right over here. It's gonna be right following from the clutch pedal. You have 2 relays up top. It's this one and not that one. So this one should be burnt. Once you take it out, you'll be able to see that it's burnt and smells bad. But also what you need to make sure is you come over here to the left side, and this fuse right over here, this orange one, right where my finger is, right over here. You need to make sure you change that fuse. So just to give you a little bit better of a perspective, you come under the 8-panel relay panel fuses, and then right over here you're gonna have a fuse, probably should be orange, and you're gonna notice that it's burnt. How you're gonna know it's burnt is that solid metal line is no longer solid, it's broken, it's separated, which means that fuse is bad. So we're gonna change that fuse, clear the codes, and see if the system's restored. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, just to give you a better perspective what we got going on over here. Alright guys, J403, make sure to change your relay, make sure to change your fuse when you're changing your compressor. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.